If Recaptcha is not working in Google Chrome, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a common issue, and it can happen because of browser glitches, bad cache, blocked scripts, or even a VPN or proxy interfering with Google's verification system. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and easy step-by-step guides. Let's start with the easiest fix first. Restart Google Chrome. Close Chrome completely, not just the tab, and make sure it is fully shut down. Then open Chrome again and go back to the website where Recaptcha was not working. A temporary browser bug or a stuck session can sometimes stop the verification box from loading properly, so a fresh restart often clears that up right away. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected properly and that your connection is stable. If your internet is slow, dropping in and out, or having trouble loading pages, Recaptcha may fail to appear or may keep spinning without completing. If needed, refresh the page after your connection is stable and try again. If that still does not fix it, the next step is to clear Chrome cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes because corrupted site data can interfere with how Recaptcha loads. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. From here, make sure you select cookies and other site data and also cached images and files. For the time range, choose all time so you remove everything that could be causing the issue. Then click Delete Data. After that, restart Chrome and test Recaptcha again. In many cases, this alone solves the problem. Now let's make sure JavaScript is enabled because Recaptcha needs JavaScript to function correctly. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then go to Settings. In the left menu, click Privacy and the Security, and then select Site Settings. Scroll down until you find JavaScript and open it. Make sure the option that says sites can use JavaScript is turned on. If JavaScript is disabled, Recaptcha may fail to load, so this setting is very important. The final thing to check is whether you are using a VPN or proxy. If you have a VPN running or if your device is connected through a proxy server, turn it off temporarily and try the website again. Google can sometimes flag VPN traffic as suspicious, which may cause Recaptcha to stop working or show repeated challenges. Disabling the VPN or proxy can immediately fix that issue. So to quickly recap, restart Chrome, check your internet, clear cache and cookies, enable JavaScript, and disable any VPN or proxy. These steps solve most Recaptcha problems in Google Chrome without needing anything complicated. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this one. And if you want, I can also help you with more Chrome fixes, browser errors, or website loading problems in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.